Okay, now we're live. It took a little longer than intended, but yeah. Emacs. Emacs today again. Oh, what did I just do? It's not really what I expected. I'll use this command. Have a shortcut for. We got Twitch. Oh, come on. Doesn't count. Come on. Okay, that's better. Anyway, grabbing the wrong window. Come back. Okay. By the way, in Emacs is X11. We can see that I can interact with my overlay, even though I'm focused on Emacs. So it's interesting. Oh, YouTube. The stream's bitrate is lower. I don't have that much powerful computer to get a better bitrate. We've got some Emacs internals here. I'm so close to affiliate. I'm gonna get those channel points and fun with them. Anyway, we kinda remember how to use Emacs. Oh, I am in the what? So I have a specific to-do list for today. Which includes some interesting stuff. First of all, let's go to parser. Expression module. Yeah, we need expression constant, which is just expression, I guess. Unit expression. So we have some stuff here. Oh wait, constant is lexer part. Yeah, so lexer. Here. Okay. What's wrong with me? So yeah, we have some constants here. Instead, we're gonna use values. So how do I visit them? Or ir value. Wait, interpreter value. Here. I'm just kinda lost. Only starting. Hold on. Now that's better. Seems like I'm live. Oh yeah, I don't have much disk space left. Nix collect garbage. Dirty. Removing some links and stuff. Deleting garbage. Yeah. This just reminds me of the fact that My disk space is so small. It's not enough. Also, trash, I can clear it somehow. Color. Completions. Restore empty. Trash empty. Error must match something. Help. All. Yeah, empty all files. Yes, I'm sure. And there you go. How have I used trash so much? 193 files already. This is like, wow. I've installed it recently and I frequently forget to use it. But I guess I do sometimes. Anyway, 4.7 already, and nicks haven't even finished. Probably not much more. Yeah, Emacsing also should probably make this a little bigger. So we have value just from. Oh. How can I make a value from a C string? I mean, I guess it's not the worry right now. Floats and then signs. So we have those constants here. Oh, sizes are gonna be a pain. Yeah, how am I gonna do sizes? Oh no. I have a constant with on the third size. Hmm. My logic just breaks apart here. uh, I mean, a value is a value, it's not a constant. I guess we have to do multiple of them. Okay, it's not all lost, come on. We can go to backend, constant. Here we can copy paste the same thing for the value. And value. Also, there are some more problems. Build value. Constant value. Value which is gonna be Oracle interpreter value. So it's a little too small. Oh, Emacs is slow. Okay, so I have, can leave the type probably. Value type. Where do we get like a lot of if else's? We should do this. Oops. Insert mode. Not get just type. Oh, our hash type is highlighted wrong. Okay, okay. Type int. Oh, with the size. Size. Oh, also. How do I fix this? It just opens a separate window. What was this? Space W, Control O. It's just absurd. Like Shift K. I mean, sometimes yeah, fine, but sometimes I just want a small pop-up. Value type, which I'm writing such an unoptimal code, cloning so much. Oh wait, here it's fine. But the interpreter can be much faster. If I would just use row pointers here. I mean, I can use row pointers here. If I change the way how I do values, which is, yeah. Instead of like box any, I'll have a value which is a pointer. Like what? Usize even. Because it's not a pointer. Value pointer. Which, I mean, I can do a box, but like I mean, I do need to do a box of some sort. Is there a pointer type? Rust generic pointer. Yes, it's just a usize. What's wrong here? Cannot find use the use size. Come on. Okay, so I have a type. Do I really need a type? Do I really need a type? I mean, like this is so uh, just I can do a CFG here or a generic. I mean, I can do generic. It's hard. I want it to be optimal. Yeah, I guess for now we'll leave this. It's gonna be simple. Simpler. I mean, we can't store a type inside of a value. I mean, we can, but we shouldn't. Try from, try from. So value is just a box of dynamic any. I mean, can I even simplify it even more to literally a box of dynamic any? Because it doesn't hold the type anymore. Yeah, I should probably like back it up. I mean, it doesn't even compile. Okay, what do we have for a terminal? vterm there is to ot. ot is my more preferred. Can do git stash and then what are you downloading? Come on. Oh, it's directory environment. Wait, how? I've removed trash dot dir env and dot envrc. Oh wait, that's why. I need to git stash apply first. Deleted directory environment and stuff. Okay, now directory environment shouldn't really mess with me. OT, right? Now I can remove the type. Do we leave it as a struct or do we do a box of any? Yes, a box of any. I mean, I can just do this literally. Any object from an interpreter or JIT, which we don't yet have JIT, just-in-time compiler, but we'll hopefully have one someday at some point. Also, we don't need types and we don't need this. Expected, oh, struct should be a type. No derives, just a box. Then we don't really need casts. We can just do dynamic casts. And I don't really need to implement anything here then. Except like from constant and for function pointer. I mean function. Function is just function. But constant. Public function. No value. Why Emacs uses underscores? Const. Wait, value from constant. Yeah, basically this. And do I actually make a struct? I mean, I can make a struct which would be like ridiculously simple. Struct value. How do I miss S key. Emacs evil Emacs, like Emacs evil mode doesn't have S implemented, so S is just a search. So if I do actually S is 2-character search, which is awesome. So if I do BO, but I'm used to S being like replace about what C is, but it works on single characters and it also replaces the whole line if I press capital S. So Shift S. Can we derive this? I mean, we can. We can't do clone, unfortunately. But I'll write debug. No defaults, partial QQ, partial order, no. Does this thing support the debug? I mean, it doesn't support clone for sure. Value defined here. Wow, this lag. This is literally slow. Space W, Control O. Learning Emacs shortcuts together. Okay, value, cast and cast ref. Yeah, we'll have those. How do I impl from anything? Impl of t from t. Literally no bounds for value. Wait. Conflicts in implementation of trait from value for type value not alter. Okay, let me just remove this. Delete. Okay, so what's the error? Conflicting implementation of trait from value. Oh, from value for value. From any type, no. I guess no. Just do public function new. Create a new value. Which, I mean, this is just for convenience. T, which returns self easy. Also, I mean, does trait, are trait bounds sent by default? A value, I mean, self box new of just value. Yeah, no, B. Wait, Control W, Control O. Wait, Space W, Control. Anyway, T cannot be sent between threads safely. We need to add send here. Sync, I mean. I think sync is different. Expected an item. Syntax error. Where? What's wrong? Did I write generics wrong? Oh, wait. T. Come on. How? T colon send. Why did I put plus in here? This parameter type T may not live long enough. What? I mean, yeah, I need to move it probably. Okay, so I have volume. I mean, casts. Can I just do like simplest cast? Where T, and just cast to a T, which is send, from self, which will return a result of T, and come on, I pressed V. Why doesn't did it? What? Okay, so this is how it works in Dynamics. Okay, so here I would just press Shift S and it would do something like this. Self 0, downcast, result of box of T or box of dynamic any percent. I mean, I can do. I don't want to do box of T, but I should probably box it just so it is quicker. value self of value. We just basically replicate the dynamic any. This is frustrating. The parameter type t may not live long enough. Okay, I guess it's static lifetime. T in 90% of the cases t is just a primitive type or a struct. Castref is just down castref, which is okay, lifetime a and t, which is send and static. Then, or actually not static and lifetime a, and I'll return lifetime at, or I'm gonna return self. Basically the same. Wait, wait. It's just gonna return option of t. I mean, this is even simpler. Actually, by the way, shift. Oh, I am constantly forgetting that shift D exists, which deletes to the end of the line in Vim and similar. Okay, what's wrong? Considering static lifetime. So I guess I have to do static here. Static. I don't understand why can't it be a reference. Okay, anyway, casts and then from constant is pretty simple, but instead of from I'm gonna use new. Also hold on. What am I doing when I have multiple cursors? Init el. Somewhere here I have multiple cursors here. I am completely forgetting about this thing, but I should use it. I don't really know how to. So it's basically GZZ. So it's basically GZ and then motion. And the end of each line. So if I select all of those, actually all of those, because words, I do GZ and then append, and here I have multiple cursors, which I can do smart moves with words, just like in good old VS Code. But I mean, sometimes I can just do this rectangular selection mode, which is sometimes better. And I also have like this, which is awesome. Like that. I can do like that. Like this visuality, it's just so awesome about Emacs. It's so visual, it's so like dynamic. Everything happens, everything works. Also, I feel like it's too colorful. Is there Doom Emacs cat in Capuchin? It's, it's so hard for me to pronounce this. Pronunciation. Come on. Is it by default? Also, Nord is a great one if I remember correctly. Data says to. You know what? Good question. The Katpuchin itself. Katpuchin. Katpuchin. Portmanteau. Whatever this word is. And cat and cappuccino in English. is a borrow from Italian. My AM. Yes, cappuccino. I don't have accents. Don't know accents. So cappuccino. Just call it whatever. Uh, yeah. Also, Nord is kind of similar. Yeah, Emacs literally has it. Oh wait, no, it doesn't. How can it have Groovebox but not Capuchin? Where is it? fp config. Yeah, I have some key maps here. It took me so long to figure out those key maps compared to everything else. But I mean, Emacs is something very quick I can learn. Is there Doom, Nord? I guess no. Also, if I mess up configs, Emacs won't just break, which is nice. Yeah, Doom Nord. Is it a thing? Reload. Doom reload. Env. What theme? HRT. HRT. Reloaded Groovebox. Come on, it's not Groovebox. Um, how do I reload the theme? Theme. Load theme, enable theme, toggle theme. Doom reload. So I have reload theme, reload environments, fonts, doc packages, outloads. Let's do environment. No. I mean, I'm used to this, which reloads the config, but what about the theme? Do I have to quit? Is it only for client or do I have to restart the server? Okay, seems like it's client. Oh, ow, ow. Can I horizontally scroll? No, I guess not. Is this and then is it any different? Wait, space fp. Config. No, I guess it's not. Maybe that's because the theme doesn't exist. Okay, let me add the cat pushing. Doom theme is this, and then packages. Also, I should make it bigger so that you can see. Like, I mean, actually, like, is this good? Can I set a default font? Like, I am used to very small fonts. Also, reload packages. Packages. RP. HRP. So HR for reload. Space HRT. Space HRP. Loading packages. Reload one theme Doom Groovebox. Theme, come on. HT. Cat. Theme. Oh wow, it's light. Theme. Space HT. Okay. Space HT. Default. Nord. Okay. Okay. Nord theme, which is actually kind of similar to cat pushing. Buffer next. Oh wow. Okay. Just exit this. But I mean, this is kind of too cold. Whoa, hold on. This I can get rid of that. Build constant value. Yeah, I'll leave this. So can I just do bi packages config value? Okay, so config. But is there cat pushing but like dark? I mean, sure there is. Oh wait, it's those are multiple themes. I mean, I'm just okay with using light theme, kinda, as long as it looks good. Latte. Oh, hey Nigel. Yay. Emacs, continue. Also, make the font bigger for you. I want to try the theme that's not as bright. Also, for some reason, if I specify the theme in config, I can't reload it. Even if I do HRR, which reloads the config, and then also HRT, which reloads the theme. For some reason it reloads the theme that I had. So I have to HT manually to select the theme manually. Monokai. Oh, this is actually cool. Reminds me of Sublime Text. Weird. Also, I've disabled a lot of stuff. Why, like... I mean... Oh, wait, what? Cut pushing was light theme, what? But this is too bright for me. I mean, for me, maybe not. Let's go through a few of them. Wombat. This doesn't look bad. Ow. Doom 1 is a good one. Is it any different from Nord? Nord. Yeah, it is. It is brighter. Which I kinda like Doom 1 better. Oh, this is too bright. Nah. I want to get to those. Oh, this is like VS Code. I mean, actually, Visual Studio even. Xcode. No. Let's do one. Doom 1. And let's do Doom 1 here. Also, this was my first ever package. But no. Okay, anyway. VS Code sim. Okay. Where am I? BI. Also, fun fact. One moment. How do I kill the? So I'm in iBuff. I'm iBuffer. How do I close the buffer here? I need a deprecated theme called light blue. Light. Oh wow. I mean, this is just ugly. Like, it would be fine maybe if the color of separators was different. It is just ugly. So I'm first time you're looking at iBuffer. I mean, there is no other buffer management. I can't even see a list of buffers in any other way. I don't think so, at least. Oh, wait. Buffer list. I mean, there is list buffers, but isn't it like literally the same, except that I can't close it? Like, how do I close a buffer? I can set this D accidentally, and I don't know what it is. XO was, I mean, XO works sometimes. Space BB. Hold on, let me do. Oh wait, space B, capital B. Switch to O. I mean, how do I close buffers? No, like I don't want to. I mean, sometimes I do want to switch them, but how do I close them in a list similar to this one? value. Also, I've installed some, I've configured some packages, including like, I can do multiple cursors, just like in good old VS Code. Got vterm, which I don't remember how to open. Oh, here. Wow, this is so like. I wish this row was brighter. So separation was brighter. OT or TO. Yeah. Also, one major question is if I do Shift K, which is lookup, it opens this handy page with docs, or sometimes it opens browser. Can I configure it so it shows up in a pop-up somehow? Or like have different keybinds, one for pop-up, one for docs? Or at least like at the bottom here, so it's so it opens. We have sizes. This is strings for later. No clue. Oh, yeah, kill. Yeah, also I've got used to those shortcuts so quickly. Although I did override some of them. In fact, two of them. Control slash and Control E. This control is mapping control was the hardest part in the whole Emacs thing. Like, okay, I found out about map macro at some point. It literally says here, but I don't read the docs, so I guess. And okay, so I do map, bang, Control E, uh, three max toggle. If we just comment this all out, I leave comments obviously. So we'll rebuild it, reload it. This literally reminds me of Nix system rebuilding. So, okay, Control E. Wait, what? Why does it work? It didn't. Like, just know that before it didn't. Uh, that's because Control E is like move down. I have no clue why it works now. I guess like server starts. Oh, hold on, what did it say here? Can I stop this window from disappearing? Oh wait, compilation, yeah. Oops. So here, what did it say? Restart Emacs or use Emacs Doom reload for changes to take effect. Doom reload. But this is literally what I did. Anyway. So we've got this value. Then what do I do? Actually, I can't try. Like, I can't just build a value. Need to also have a type of it. Type, which is a r hash type, which is Oracle ir type. Anyway, just match the type. If it's an integer, it depends on size. Const type. Value, I need to match the size here. Ideally, match size get. I'm just gonna do this. Wait, how do I? I don't know format because is there even a format region GQ? Why format buffer is not a shortcut? Like I have format on save, which I think is a module for some reason. But I mean, there's a calendar module, there's IRC and Gmail clients, so Emacs. Oh, yeah, and formatting. I mean, what format? Actually, good question. Why? It's not a syntax error. Yeah, actually, how do I get quick suggestions? Quick runs and like suggest quick fix. I mean, here fix won't. There won't be a fix. Fix. Rust fix, cargo fix. So yeah, fun thing is yesterday and even today, like it just so happens that at 3 a.m. at the morning I was tinkering with Emacs. I've rebuilt it like twice, and now I'm using like the default ones that doesn't need to be built. Emacs quick fix. Compilation mode. What? I mean, I need just like this suggestion. Emacs quick fix. I mean, what is it called? Like a suggestion or something. Uh, Compilation mode space cc. I mean, yeah, but I'd normally do space pc for project compile, which don't judge the compile command. I have no idea why dot slash compile sh doesn't work, and it actually works. It is nice, and right now it doesn't compile, but who cares? Oh, wait, I closed what I shouldn't have closed. W control. Like what I need is also did you say the space dot space period file search? What I would expect is more of space pf project search, like in Telescope, and there is also space sp search in project, which is like Telescope with grep. It's just so nice. Even back in VS Code, I pressed Control E to use it. So what did I need? Compiler. Yeah, create this part. Hey, Pitstork. Welcome to Emacs. Yeah, as you can see, we're using Emacs and I have no idea how to do stuff in here. Like here, suggestion won't help. Panic. Oh wow. How do I make this thing just a pop-up? For years. The file positions when are secured to include. I mean, what I want, like what I was asking about is, in Vim you can do. I mean, depends on. You want to have pop-up as an overlay. I mean, like in Vim, I wanted to pop up or like pop down here. I mean, fine if it would be down here, like in this region, and it would be closable with escapes, but not like as a separate buffer. So what I mean by quick fix is, if I open that, for example, the editor that I am at least a little bit familiar, like if I do recent something like this with Rust has a lot of those. So here, for example, see this what is lightning? I can do G dot. It's analyzing. Rust analyzer is doing the thing. I comment this out, for example, it would suggest me. Come on. Come on. Or even simpler here. I mean, I need to wait for Rust to build. Just a moment. Here, this is what I want. This is lightning. Those like suggestions, which in VS Code terms, those are called quick fixes. In Vim, like quick fix window is just a lot of stuff, which I don't understand like to this point, but this is what I mean by quick fix. And also, if I press Shift K, it also shows up as a pop-up. NP LSP mode. I have no idea what this is. I'm using Doom Emacs. I'm just a beginner. Yeah, I am using Doom Emacs for language server. In Vim I used LSP0, which is like that simple. Where was I? Build constant value. Yeah, I need to match here. Invalid or unsupported this. iglot. I mean, it is here. LSP server and support projects buffer under managed major mode. What is this? Okay, I guess it started. CXHM. HM. Emacs, how to change your splash screen. Customize the ASCII banner to changing welcome screen. Yeah. It's your LSP server interface. Wait, inference. Wait, no, it's interface. I guess you meant interface. I mean, I guess. Server menu. Like how this, like what was this called? Iglot training. Iglot should have a command for quick fixes. Okay, so this pop up at the bottom. This is how I want it to look normally. So like if I press Shift K, which I forgot what it was for, it opens the size. Not all LSP servers. Okay, so quick fixes. I mean, include code action. Oh, it's called code action. But I mean, no code actions here. Let's just make an intentional one. What's up? Consider importing one of those items. Code action. There's lsp execute code action space ca, which is I guess the default. But I mean this is just execute code action. I guess there's not much. Mode line, code actions mode. Execute quick fix code action between begin and end. Find the LSP code actions. Yeah, so here's like one code action. CA might be one. I mean, this is just execute. And why does it show this thing here? Is it iglot? Iglot. What if I shut it down? Yeah, I guess it's iglot. Or is it? No, it's not. What is showing me the thing at the at the bottom? I can install LSP mode instead of using built-in iglot. I mean, if I do init el, is it even here? LSP. I mean, I have this. I think. Oh wow. I think this was the thing I've used. Integrates language servers into Doom Emacs. They provide features you'd expect from IDEs. Language aware stuff. Something more. Okay, so there was something about iglot. Module features, iglot, use iglot instead of LSP mode. I guess it uses LSP mode by default. Peak, can have definitions and reference with functionality from lookup. Do you speak? Okay, let's try peak. Peak. I mean, I don't see any difference literally. Was it CA code action? Okay, so here are code actions. Some user experience present, but it's like all scattered around. Shift K opens here, code actions open here. Why can't it just all be pop-ups? Which actually, if we go here and look for pop-up, I literally disabled pop-ups, but I don't know like what those pop-ups are. It's customizable pop-up window management system. I guess those are just something different. Toggle pop-up window P. Okay, what if I rebuild? I mean, when I reload with space HRR, it doesn't really reload all the stuff. Like to get full reload, I'll have to close this, do systemctl user restart Emacs, wait for a bit, maybe for quite a while sometimes. Oh wow, 11 gigs free. Come on. This may take like forever to execute in some cases. So better off just do pkill Emacs a few times just to be safe. Select the block of configuration you want to be executed and evaluated. Does it work like that? I mean, just evaluating stuff out of place. Especially like when it is inside of a Doom macro. Is not really. So you restart the daemon. Then launch the client. Wait for it to load recently opened files. Get this expression valid. I mean, like the problem with it was the problem with it is, for example, if I go into init, like everything here is inside of a Doom macro. It's Doom, and then we have like all this stuff, all those modules. If I uncomment a module, I guess there's doing refresh on desktop links, there's doing pk. I mean, refresh on desktop is not like pkill. In pkill, I can just press up and press enter. And on Windows desktop, I have to move my mouse, press right click, move again, press left click, move again. And it's just tedious. Nah. So, did I get any pop-ups? Any change? Guess no change here. I guess no. Did it? Now Shift K shows up at the bottom. Was this actually a configuration change? Can anyone tell me? Is this intended? Is this a pop-up? Is this considered a pop-up? Code action. I mean, it's at least now it's consistent. Values. Okay, so floating point. Actually, first of all, on signs. Pop-ups are usually achieved with pose frame. Max pose frame. I mean, what I have. By the way, since we have Emacs. If I go into init, back into init, so pop-ups, do they have any options? We have like 107 plushes, if I remember correctly. About this number. Recently crossed 100. All defaults. Reasonable default pop-up rules for variety of buffers. All enable fallback rules to ensure all temporary special buffers whose name begins with a space or asterisk are treated as pop-ups. Okay, so this thing just makes buffers pop up. But are those actually pop-ups? Or like guessing on the architecture, I guess this thing could use pose frame somewhere inside. But I guess no. In your Doom block, requirements usage. This module has no usage documentation. Configuration. There's like there's nothing to configure. I mean, we can add rules. Okay, so here's where BI. Here's where BI can come in useful. For example, I press Shift K. Or wait, here. Then I do BI. LSP help starts with asterisk. I guess. Okay, let's enable all. All. I guess I don't need defaults. Okay, so here now this is a pop-up. I wonder if a terminal now is a pop-up. TO with OT. Okay, terminal now is a pop-up, which not really. I mean, I can probably configure it. So did it change? And yeah, turns out that this thing at the bottom is a pop-up. Like this is a pop-up. Can I make like do Emacs post frame pop up? Hell. Flight check. I mean, what flight check is? I know that flight check is here just because here, like in this directory, flight check file can appear just randomly at some times. Max pop up. UI pop up. This is in this is in the UI. Also, I've tried tabs. Nothing. Can we reload? Probably no. Like tabs, they appeared at the bottom of the screen only when I start the thing. Anyway, module flex, all defaults, packages, hacks, prerequisites, all issues based on later software in the language you're using. Also, yeah, if I do defaults or defaults. Yeah, flight checks for linting makes sense. It is defaults. Set pop-up rule and set pop-up rules. Can I remove pop-up rule? Plist hidden pop-up mode line. What is mode line? Yeah, I like as much as I read about it, even ask ChatGPT, I don't understand what mode line is. Is it like this part, which has a lot of stuff highlighting when I hover for some reason? It's the bar, I guess. Yeah. Pop-up window P, pop-up buffer P. It's the bar, yeah. Pop-up windows. Pop-up mode. Oh yeah, by the way, maybe we can change the mode. Pop-up mode disabled. Oh, so if I do pop-up mode again, no. Did it? Wait, if I do all, did it reload this thing? Mode button. Click and hold on the mode buttons on the taskbar to do stuff. What are those buttons? I have no idea. Also, mode line, like, I think I've disabled it. Yeah, snazzy. Will it be any different if I do this? I think actually it was a bit different. Also, is this fly check? Is this fly check? Can I like, how do you eval expression, evaluation, MER. Value, is very, I mean, do I have to evaluate the whole thing. Is it doing anything? Eval region. Run the command. Mir eval buffer. I mean same thing here. Eval buffer. Space MEB. Did it evaluate? Macro function evaluate the region. I mean, for Doom, Emacs, for this huge Doom macro, I guess it doesn't really matter. And the function and do eval expression. I guess same thing if I reload the config. Eval everywhere. What was this thing? Pop-ups all. So this thing doesn't. What if I eval this? Eval region. Like I don't know if it's gonna work or not. What if I try to reload it again? Is no change. What if I literally reload the client? Oh, wait, tab bar at the top? What? Rust analyzer standard error go away. I mean, it's with mouse. But what is that? What is a tab bar? Can I? How do I tab? Wait, what? Tab. Tab next. TO. CXTO. Or will space TO work? No. Control X TO. Alt 1 to 3. No. CU1. Enter. What am I doing? Alt 1 to 3 4 doesn't work. Or do I need to do colon? Or do I? No, it's just. Why is it CU when I press Alt? Works in workspace, not tabs. Tab next. You can run command tab next. I guess this is no tabs. Space WGT. Space WGT. I mean, I still can't switch to those tabs. I want, for example, I want to switch to messages. Selecting. Oh wait, it's deleted. It's a deleted buffer. What? Messages. Or wait, what? How did it? Why did it disappear? Tab line. What? Okay, so for example, can I do scrap or what? Scratch buffer. Why is scratch buffer here? Space tab N to open new workspace. Space tab N. Search failed. Wait, space tab is undefined. Okay, so here, wait, did it? Oh, hold on. Come back. Softtuber. I mean, I'm in Doom Emacs. Just remember this. Also, where did the Doom dashboard go? Okay. It's now just messages. Okay, if I just open messages. View log. I hate this. No. Okay, so how do I tab to it? Tab next. Okay, I guess let's try next buffer. What if I do a new here? Oh wait, it's not. What is this tab bar for? Like, I have plenty of buffers. Workspace new, check what it's bound to. workspace slash new. I don't have this. Do you even have workspaces? Work. No, I don't. Oh, so this is tab emulation. Also pop-up all. I want to do pop-up defaults. Building tree Emacs. Okay, so did anything change? Good question. Workspaces. So I have a workspaces now. Not sure if they will work. Space tab n. Space tab n. Okay, so space tab n is now a thing. Space tab and new workspace. And then and symbols value is void. What? Okay, so here are buffers. Oh, no, nothing. Emacs and Emacs. Do we really have to restart it again? I like to do this, but I don't know. I'm not sure if it works in new shell. But I mean, sure it's done now. Emacs Diamond. More like Emacs Demon. What do I need? Client. Get client. Yeah, obviously it's an Emacs stream. Okay, what do we have now? Scratch buffer. I mean, I can do this. Oh, so here are workspaces. What workspaces are for? Control X T O. Huh? Tab next. Tab previous. Like, how do I do this tab bar? If I can lit. Did it break again? Come on. Okay, now I have like two tab bars. One at the bottom, one at the top. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Top is like displays always. Are those linked? Why are those linked? And the third one is. Oh, wait. No. Top one is buffers. Not really. If I do pf. Let's open this. If I open this, here, top bar is now empty. But if I switch to next buffer, doesn't let me switch. Oh, also mod line. Now it's fine. Now it's a great mod line. Why can't I switch to next buffer? What? Like I could switch to the thing. Okay, so if I go here, like, here's a different set of buffers. If I go here, here's a different set of buffers. And bn stops working for some reason. I mean, I don't want multiple copies of this stuff, so I guess I'll disable workspace. I wish it was easier to reload, restart, reload, whatever. For some reason, it doesn't want to reload properly. Config successful reload. I mean, if Emacs has daemon, can't it just have like reload with the way it has kill? But I'm not sure what it does. And no shell is not set up for this. Anyway, okay, so no, workspaces didn't go, even though I've deleted them here. Company tabs. Okay, a tab bar for Emacs. Let's just open docs for it. Keep tabs on your buffers, literally. It's Atom SQ. Everything here is inspired by Atom except evil mode, which is obviously for VI. Atom SQ tab bar to the Emacs UI. This module has no dedicated maintainers, doesn't really matter. Usage, no usage. Configuration, nothing. Like actually, what did I just press? Oh wait, space B. What's the difference between space B and capital B and space B and lowercase b? Wait, if I hold shift here, it still uses lowercase. What? I guess it doesn't really matter. I guess this is a replacement for my tab bar. Initl. Init. Tabs, nah. I would want pop-ups to work properly, but not that they really work. Okay, what if I doom sync? Config successfully reloaded, see? And it is reloaded, but not everywhere. Like, what if I now kill Emacs and open Emacs daemon? Should I just start Emacs normally? Maybe reload will work then, not the client and server. Um, no content at a point, are you sure? Oh wow, loading. It's loading. I mean, I like the line, the mode line, which I've compared to Lua line in Vim. Search on. Why search on? Oh, that's because you can't find it. Okay, so here it is in the pop-up. At least something. So then let's open, set it back to defaults and add a pop-up rule for LSP. Like what was this? LSP, not LSP log. Like LSP, or what was it? What is this? Buffers for things not saved and for Lisp evaluation. Yes, crash buffer is a nice one. Doom messages. This. Oh, LSP help it is. Asterisk LSP help asterisk. Now how do I? Oh, so this is not an LSP help. Hold on. Oh, wait, I am. If I switch to defaults, is it gonna be is it gonna do LSP help in a pop-up? Well, pop-up. That means I have to switch Emacs first. Can I actually, let's kill the Emacs for easier configuration? Can I just launch Emacs, not the client, but the literal Emacs? How's YouTube doing? Yeah, pop-up. Commands, libraries, hacks. W grep buffers. Yeah, it was doing fine. Yeah, by the way, after the last stream, we did reach 3.0 average viewers. Actually 3.1, but today was another stream, if you didn't notice, which, why, 15 minute stream, which dropped us to 3.0, and this stream will probably also drop us, but affiliate doesn't want to update. Like, even we got even this achievement. Yeah, we got this achievement, which is reach 3 average viewers in last 30 days. This achievement appeared even before we got 3 here on this dashboard, which it dropped hours. And here it is still like at 42.88 hours, which is 2.88. At today morning, which is like actually like 3 or 4 hours ago, this was 2.2. Now it's 2.88. We need just a little bit more for affiliate. I want channel points so badly. Recently, oh wow, this is slow. Is Emacs servers like, is Emacs, if it's not client server, slower than regular? Like, I mean, than the client server? I think it's slower this way. Why? Search on. Yeah, it is definitely slower. And also pop-ups work. Like, why? And not just slower, it is much slower. Also, how am I? SpaceBN doesn't visit those buffers normally. Also Scratch, I should probably learn the Scratch buffer shortcut. SpaceX. So like print 10 eval region. I mean, there's no eval region. There's no shortcut for eval region, but I remember alt shift colon, or just alt colon with shift, which I can do stuff here. Hash O12 hash XA. Also, what is this? Messages? Can I close this? Key scratch buffer is here. LSP log. I mean, okay, anyway, we need to maybe write some code. So if we got size 1, then we need value cast cast as a u8, oh wait, i8, which is an integer. That's fine. Also, I have a tendency to press K to get a pop-up of error when error is displayed here, and also my chat overlay, which is obviously visible for me and interactable, kind of messes up while parsing expected one off. Yeah, like, why is there a colon? Oh wait, why is there a semicolon? Oh wait, that's because I copied it. The type, wait, just type. Just type borrowed. Now we have i16 here. Also, why Doom Emacs? I mean, Emacs Evil Mode doesn't have S, as I said before. S, like Vim S. I mean, yeah, Emacs S is as useful, if not even more useful, but Vim's S, I just miss it. It requires me to press one more key in like certain situations. Oh wait, for I32, 8, and then also 16. Oh wait, yeah, actually, VI. Do I have VI? Of course I do. New A, B, C, D, E, F. No, S is in VI. Here I literally can press S, capital S to. That's VI. Is this Vim? I've typed VI. Actually. Mm, symbolic link to VI. Yeah, it is. It is Vim slash VI. Yeah, symbolic link to Vim. I mean, I can't check. Nobody cares. Yeah. VI welcome screen. Like, does it say Vim? Yeah, VI improved. Anyway. I 64. Wait, 64 is here. Here it's 128. Okay, we can get rid of that. What's up? My charms have incomplete type. Oh yeah, SI64. Copy. I mean, actually, why can't I just this? Do it like that. And then can remove this part. What's wrong? Oh, also can do this. Non-primitive cast result. Yeah, I mean, it should be. It should not really return a result. Do I return a reference or a box? And here I return a box. Bad apple. Yay. It is still here. Nigel, you've got a second frame today. To do today. Right? I like how it's so small here, just because of the font size. Also, why is it not square? Why is this? Why is this? I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we've checked it with monospace font. It is the same. So this is using monospace. Why is? What is this outline? Just wondering. Uh, so here as a cast, we can return. Do we return a box? Frames dropping? Oh no. Seems. I mean, it's supposed to be square. I don't know. Like actual, in the monospace font, it is not square. Let's see. And I don't see frames dropping. I mean, there were some dropped frames, but right now, no. Let's see, where is it? Which BA? Huh. Oh, you're using those spaces. Not even the spaces. Like, those things. It is supposed to be square. Why are those spaces? I think those are counted as, don't worry. I'm not that bad at it. like I guess those characters are those are not spaces. Like Kate for sure can display spaces. Those are not spaces. Maybe you messed up the code. Okay, what if we just like those are fake spaces, Unicode spaces. What if we replace them all? Uh, wow. Not possible to write, but hey, give me my write access. I can revert, don't worry. E2A080. I mean, monospace font probably doesn't know them, and so they are rendered with non-monospace font. Why can't I write to it? Do I have write? Oh wait, uh, I'm just sorry. Let's just I still don't understand why. I can't write to it. Wait. I can't write. Come on. Okay, discard. Uh, N Vim BA. Usage said. Said is installed because it's a part of bash. Even new Vim says it's wrong. Okay, so colon percentage sign s slash vink slash space slash g. Read only. Oh wow. Okay, so I've written it. I mean you can revert. Oh, if it's actually this character. Can you type it again? I'm too lazy. Actually, I can copy your message. See here. Now it's monospace. Now it's proper. Also something at the top. I don't know what it is. Is it a part of bad apple? Yes. No. No, it's not. Um. Yeah. You should before the echo. You should clear. You should echo. Okay. Let me do this on my phone. Here you should add clearing. What did you do? Just simple. Let me just do it on my phone. Clear. RN. Don't forget, because for some reason I've decided it would be a great idea. Okay, so this, I mean, it still sometimes does. If we, let me just copy my message. I can ban myself. What? If we add a sleep also at the beginning, should be better. You mean back to here? You mean back to Emacs? Uh, Actually, yeah, back to Oracle. I'm not sure if we should keep the box here. So just to explain, right now we're working on this value struct, which since if I just open what simple example, uh, since we switched, by the way, vote on this. You can vote on this keyword. I should probably link the pool. I should probably link the pool. You can vote on this keyword. Literally. Because, I mean, I don't know. I feel like there should be a keyword here, but I don't know. Maybe there shouldn't. Maybe it should be double colon. Maybe it should be a keyboard, a keyword. Sorry. So since now it's a first class language, which means a function is a compile time value, then we should like we'll need so basically there will be an ability. What? Why did it reset the font? Excuse me. So there will be an ability to write expressions. Can I set syntax highlighting language? Ret L, Control X, Enter L. Zig would be. Is there's nothing really? Come on, C. Ask. I guess this is wrong. When you toggle some mode, did you toggle mode? And what is this? Okay, oh wait, it's wrong. Language. Describe language environment. Lang. Oh, set 3-seater lang. That's probably what I need, but it's a macro. 3-seater. Ignore arguments, do nothing and return nil. Search for lang. Lang tool check done buffer. ISO translation set language. Correct buffer. Language environment. Lisp LSP. Yeah, I mean, I guess best syntax will be described by Zig, but I don't have Zig enabled. Describe syntax. HS. Oh wow. Syntax. EBNF syntax file. Can I just specify an EBNF syntax file for it to use instead of like 3-seater? LSP VGSL syntax 3 shell syntax highlight mode. LSP Rust analyzer syntax 3 mode. I mean, I don't know how to do this. Fundamental plus 8. Okay, I guess we're continuing in white, unfortunately. So here, as we have comp time, like as functions are now values, there will be an ability, and like right now it is possible to have compile time evaluations. So, right, sometimes write does reset it, sometimes doesn't. I mean, when it writes changes, I guess it does reset. So yeah, since we have compile time overlay crashed. What? Again? Come on. Why again? It crashed for some reason. Let's do plushy Emacs. Let's do another one, because why not Ruby? Sure. They fit together pretty well, I guess. Godot. Yeah, I have actually right now I have configured Godot Emacs, which was easy. So yeah, since we have runtime like compile time evaluation, I've decided to include the interpreter right into the package. This probably should be a separate crate, but it is not, so I mean, it doesn't really matter, I guess. So this value represents a value at an interpreted value, and like at runtime it's probably gonna be something more of usize, which this usize is then gonna be cast to pointers and stuff. but for like debug purposes it is a typed box, which I don't know, won't really work like that. But I mean, doesn't really matter. And so this value is like a runtime value, which right now it's a box of any. But how, like when we should be able to somehow cast it to a Rust type, and so for box of any it's just downcast. But how do we, like what do we return? Do we return a box of it, or do we return itself? I mean, not itself, but a pointer to it. I mean, reference. I mean, for cast we should probably return a box, and cast ref is a reference. This probably should be a cast, and this should be into. And do into. I mean, can't really. Into. Like I would say this is an S and this is an into. Oh, and those won't be results also. No results, nor options. Like this is a debug configuration. And yeah, I am using Rust so unsafely here. And sorry, I have never heard of std any. This is just any is just a type. Actually, it's a trait which you can downcast to any other type. And like downcast ref of any to any other type is gonna return an option of a reference. So it either downcasted or didn't. I would call this S, but I'll have to write r hash S, which is meh. We'll read its docs page. Also, there is downcast rs crate, which I think I have literally here. Actually, I'm not sure if any has downcast by default. I think it does. It's like the only thing that does. And for downcast rs brings this downcast functionality to all the traits, which obviously implement downcast. Okay, so this is gonna be unwrap, or actually expect of invalid type. Invalid type, invalid, wait, cast of dynamic value to an invalid type, which I should also put a type here. Can I, is there a way I can convert a type to a string? Get a type name somehow. Oh, forgot. First of all, it lags. I'm skipping frames probably. Not much. Voted for colon. Like in oh, what's this language? I think there's like Jai uses it, Haskell I think, and OCaml also I think. Like it's this colon is like more of functional language. It's like all functional languages. But keep in mind that wait, press 5 here. We've got split of 3. Keep in mind that if back to the pool, here's the description, where is colon, this will be used in the context of a variable. Like we have let, which is immutable, and we have x colon, which is a compile time. But I mean, Orco is an IR. This doesn't matter. hopefully no one is gonna write much in this language. Type name. How can I Rust get type name? Get generic type name. Type specific type. Well, no, I don't need this. Also colon. I mean, here it's not a type specification. It is a value specification. A main compile time equals to this without semicolon, obviously. To this. Type specification is done with colon, and for symbols it's not gonna be. One more thing. I don't think I am gonna implement type hints for comp times. So just colon type won't work probably. I mean, it is easy to implement, very easy. So I should probably, but I'm feeling like no. Should I? Actually, I probably should. Statically check generic type is a specific no. I want the type name. Type name T. Oh wait, std any type name. I can do std any type name of T. Also, there was something handy about Emacs. I don't remember what though. Like it was completing something like parentheses, but something else. How long? I don't know. Maybe 2 more hours until 10 p.m. my time. I mean, I can sit up to 3 a.m., but this is not gonna be. This is hopefully not gonna be the case. Cast of dynamic value to an invalid type. We're gonna sit here and watch how this value hopefully grows and not declines. Because from what I can tell, this stream is gonna be less than 3 and probably even less than 2 average, which is unfortunate. Next stream. Hopefully this value is gonna update to 3 and I will get a chance to click a button. I have no idea how affiliate works. Like, I haven't seen this process. I know that it takes time, and I know that I need to get all those met. I have followers, I have stream for 8 hours, I have actually 39. 7 different days, doesn't really matter. Hardest is average for me. I don't know why. And so when they are all gonna be met, I don't even know where to click a button to ask for the affiliate. And like hopefully it's gonna be enough for me to just click it, and when it updates again, it's gonna declare it's gonna just drop and it's gonna be fine. Okay, so type name. What's in there? Comparison operators cannot be chained. What? Mismatch types, expected borrowed string, found string. Oh, here. Okay. What about comparison operators? Oh, come on. That's just dumb. Also, can I do self zero? Is there type name in any? Probably there is. Like std any and type ID. So this basically is not reflection, runtime typing. So what was it? How was it called? Like dynamic casts and stuff like this, all here. Type ID. Any. Any can return a type ID. Okay. Off. I can format type ID as debug, not even as display, which is unfortunate. Unique identifier for a type. Can I get a type name from it? I guess I can't. But I can try. No. Type ID. What's up with completions? Core any. What does it say here? Type ID. So this is type ID dot all right, not dot value web ID this to a type this. Okay, into s what is it? Borrow moved value. Okay, so this is map error. Value panic. Whoa. How did I know this? So this is gonna be value, and this is gonna be value, and field 0 of struct box. Oh wait, I need to wait. How do I do this? Oh wait, value is a box, and just call type ID. Okay. So we have into. It's basically the same thing here. Yank that, paste it here, and then I'll remove the unwrap and I'll map error cast. Let's call it pointer cast of dynamic value of type ID, etc. So this is gonna be not map error but expect, or what is it gonna be? Okay, or also how do I like how do I do expect with or something like that? Wait, it's not map error. I can do or or else or something. Wow, how like I should have been an expert in this. Or else returns a result still. Unwrap or and here I can also do unwrap or this value. Yeah, here I don't need a value. I can just do self 0 because it doesn't move, it borrows. Enter type mismatch. What? Mismatch types. What? Type annotations needed. Downcast. I mean, it returns self, so what? Font closure. Okay, so why is it not colorful? Yeah. Okay, let's open terminal. And this is also pop-up. I mean, fine. Compile sh. Also, this has highlights, but they are invisible. Sh simple anyway. Like Emacs integrated terminal is kind of bad. Wait, what? Okay, so, oh wow. Downcast ref returns an option. Unwrap or else. Oh, is it? Unwrap or else. Right? Okay. Now. Oh wow. I close this. Delete. Kill the buffer. Press Q anywhere to close the compilation window. I mean, this is not a compilation window. Because if I do compilation, bash compile sh simple, it's not colorful enough. Yeah, can I make it colorful somehow? More colorful? I'm pretty sure compiling was green. And only note is highlighted because I have to do highlighting. To close the thing, I can press escape a few times, which is actually it's the same here. Quit. Okay, so trying to cast value. Casting messengers. Can I not worry about it? Scratch. Rust analyzer. Okay. Just, here. Cast is replaced by what? Into. I can do into. I can do. I can do s. Do but I take it as a value, so I should do into probably. And when I say I take this as a value, I mean I should take this as a value. Colors coming from cargo, right? Yeah. eShell is a dumb terminal. Actually, no shell does. No shell detects eShell as a dumb terminal. And well, I mean, if I just do term, I think run program. Wait, no. What? If I do what nc term, what? I don't know. Somewhere no shell said that dumb terminal. Literally. Okay, so into returns a box. I can just. Why it doesn't complain? I wonder. Yesterday's stream. Okay. Don't understand why it doesn't complain when it should have. Okay, so this is unsigned. Also, I mean, yeah, unsigned 64 is fine. SI64. Or can I actually do uconst or something? uconst. Unary const. What? Unary const as instruct. Why is it? What? I guess it's from some other completion. It looked like a struct, not like a method. Do Emacs issue. I wish I could press here on link. Actually, I know how to make it real. Let me just open the thing. In recent chat. But yeah, if I want to. If I want to see the link right now, I have to type the URL manually. No way I'm typing those letters and digits. Come on. Notifications, can you please? Oh, wow. Why did I open this? Okay, anyway. Wanted to mute notifications, but instead got a bit more than that. How do I... It's working cargos. Stop. How do I mute this? Notifications and sounds. Wait, I can't mute it for a time. Okay, I guess I'll just select all the chats and mute them. Literally. Anyway, what does it say? With color, yes, does work. In Cargo's case, just use theme sets the face. It uses for finished and drawing bold but colorless. In Dracula, I mean, I am using Doom 1, literally. I am using Doom 1. The theme. Unknown notification, what? So, what was it? HT. I am here loaded Doom 1. So I guess it is Doom's problem. Also, it opened it opened the chat thing. What I should just do here is print this percent from user message. So I just get messages in console, or like in Godot's console. Will it auto reload? Of course no. And by messages I mean like messages from terminal. I mean not from terminal, for the messages that get displayed here. Huh? Oh, it's empty. What? Did I forget how to do formatting? Oh yeah, I did. This is percentage S. This is percentage S. And I should probably do this to escape the BB codes. Maybe, I don't know. If print is using BB codes. I mean, print reach should be using BB codes, not just normal print. Yeah, I don't need those backslashes. This is confusing. Just, oh, too early. What's that? Oh, it's bad apple. It was bad apple. Also that can go. So test. Okay, here. Now I can open Godot and click on the links there. In case I'll need. So yeah, I guess trying adding color sol always in cargo. Cargo run package. Color always. So Godot should go here, so it doesn't. So it's just easier. Okay, Okay, now project compile this. Okay, now, yeah, now this is easier to read for me. And there was a hotkey to open the thing file. Yeah. This is kind of a workaround, but it's fine. Lookup file. GF, yeah, lookup file, I think. GF. Not GD. GF. But it opens in the... Yeah, this is like the part I didn't like. It opens in the pop-up. Like here I compile. I can do GF to open it, but it opens in the pop-up. I can do control, wait, space W, control O. I said space W, control O and not control P. And it is opening wherever it needs to. But, I mean, it is still like, it was opened in the pop-up. At least it doesn't close now when I press escape or Q. Anyway, value from, it's value in U. Yeah, and it is actually a function as ref clone, compilation next error function, compilation next error, literally function. Move point to the next error in the compilation buffer. So the next error message and visit the file. Oh, not in the compilation buffer. Okay, so if I close this buffer, if I do project compile this, compilation next error function, constant mode arrest 2829, but I mean, I do this and then compilation next error function, it doesn't open, or does it? I didn't see it working. GF. I guess it's it just doesn't understand cargo. What was the error? Yeah, why I can't see the errors here? Or is this error? Is this error? Yeah, it is error. On the left. Type 564 cannot be dereferenced. What? I mean, into doesn't dereference. Does it? Yeah, it doesn't. It returns box of T. Or is S treated as... okay, can I can do GZ Shift I. What are you loading? Oh. Oh wow, what happened? What is this? How? What do I do here? Do I just hold U while this thing disappears? Oh. How do I redo? I can't do anything while it's auto-saving. Or it's just my PC crashed. It's not Q, it's escape to close compilation window from anywhere. Yeah, escape is quit. And that's what I'm normally using. It's auto-saving, I can't do anything. Who decided to include autosave here? Like, fine. Server Rust analyzer exited. Do you want to restart it? Yeah, I do. Is Control R? Yeah, Control R is redo. Okay. Okay. So what do I do with this thing? I just pressed redo once. Okay, it's fine now. GZA. So I can just drop this in parentheses to dereference. Cannot be dereferenced. It is not i64. Come on. Oh, wait, I know what it is. It is this asterisk, which I didn't see. Oh wow. Okay, now it's fine. Float should be easy, and C string is to do. Float size, it's just the same but different. It unsigned integer constant value type. Integer constant value type. That integer constant float constant value type. Okay, so if it's float, I do I do something like that. Match size. Can I just copy that? Do also, does Emacs share the system clipboard? It's a great question. I think it does, but I'm not sure. Okay, or now this. Yes, literally by default. GUI does. GUI. Okay. Match size dot get. First type 32 const. So this is gonna be value into. Actually, I can just do this, right? This is gonna. Oh wait, no, I can't. SF32. Oh wait, I can do here F32. Does this thing use explicitly A64? No, which is annoying. For 8 bytes into F64. Okay. Nigel, if you're still here, are you doing a compiled or interpreted language? That's an error. Mismatched types. What? This is a value and this is a value. What's wrong? Also, they shouldn't be wrapped in sum. I mean, actually, let them be wrapped in sum. Also, formatting. Huh? Stream was buffering. If you're still here, if stream was buffering, it's probably my fault. If you're still here, I mean, I guess you're still here. Are you doing a compiled or an interpreted language? Or both? I'm doing both now. But originally I was doing compiler first. Unsupported float constant value type. Yeah, and then C string. Wait, wait, it's pointer. It's pointer, but I mean, oh hey, Mr. Potatoes. Interpreted, yeah, classic. Are you designing your language specifically so it can support both? Like, what I've noticed when I was doing garbage collector 2, which is it contains a pretty interesting language, and it contains some software port of a cell. So what I've noticed is it was so hard to do type checking on an interpreted language. I have no idea why. It was just a pain. You're hosting your own website. Great. You're using your NES, right? Or am I wrong? Underscore panic. Panic, 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 panic. Unsupported, or actually I can do unsupported here. Unsupported from GitHub. Oh. I mean, GitHub Pages is awesome. It's free for public infinite runs, workflow runs. I'm using GitHub Pages personally, and my static site generator, because for some reason all static site generators, they let you use Markdown, but they don't let you use HTML. Yeah. Windows storage, please. Unsupported constant value type. Price. No storage price, yeah. It doesn't have a storage place either. As you can see, I'm trying out Emacs. I'm not sure if we were on the last stream. I don't think I saw you. Okay. We've got this, what's now? Let's compile. More errors. Name. Value cast ref. Oh wow. Name is not used. Oh yeah. I mean, I guess name is not gonna be used in the backend. Where? Cast ref. Cast ref is gonna be, and you probably can see. Can I zoom in? Yeah, I can zoom in. Can I? This is messy. This is terribly messy. Here, value. What is this? R hash s. This. Oh, this one. No. Compile again. Move to file. Ah, I closed it. PC compile. Emacs open. What? I closed it again. It's just escaping. But I mean, like, what was it? Locate file. Or what? Under find file under here. Wait, no, that's not it. Locate file. Line. What am I using? CF? FC? Wait, GF. H. K. GF. Or FG. Wait, it's Control XGF. Right. No command bound to Control XG. Huh. What am I using? Compile. Oh, wait, just GF. Space HKGF. Look up file. Then just point and open it. I want lookup file to be opened in a normal buffer. Look up file under the cursor. Is it updated? Probably no, but maybe it will update. I think it will update at the point of yesterday's where yesterday's stream ended, which when it ended, who knows? Let's look up. 25. Right now? Is this right now? Average viewers 1. Terrible. But I mean, this was even worse. This is up to 8 p.m. Yeah, it is past already. Come on. 2.88, which was 2.9, which means we need tomorrow morning? I don't know. But within 24 hours, probably, this thing is gonna update to 3. First 3.1 and then 3. Which I hope I will be able to click on the button and just rest in peace. Because right now overview wait, it does say 0. I mean, it does say 3. But today is just terrible analytics. Anyway. Yeah, why did they grant me this but not this? This is much more important. Much more important. Come on. Find file under cursor. Yeah, I guess this is what I'm using or something like this. Find file under here. I mean, this is different. Oops. Find file at point. Find file at point. Using data format. Project compile this. Find file at point or URL. No. Wait, this is a website. Find file under cursor. I mean, there's lookup command for it, but lookup opens in a lookup. Emacs act cx asterisk q 100 return. What? 100 bang return. Cx asterisk q quick calc. What? 100 factor. Oh wait. I don't think I should type 100 factorial into it. But what actually is a CXQ? Quick calc. 2 times 4. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I would want to just go here, like JF does. But JF opens in this ugly buffer as constant. Yeah, here. Here's where we can finally use it. And I closed this buffer. Come on. What was Nigel suggesting? Compilation next error function. But I mean, this doesn't work. Compilation next error. Or do I do compilation next file? I wish I could just control click. Oh wow, what is this? Rustic. I mean, symbol reference. Okay, let me just. Okay, here. So we have symbol. Now we can do self build build constant value which takes a value and a type, if I remember correctly, which type we can get from the thing. Expect 3 arguments, found 1. And what else? Like wait, what? Builder. Oh, it does take builder, value, and type. Builder. Why doesn't it format? Value and type. Type will be symbol. Okay, let me actually. So build symbol reference. If it's symbol, let symbol equals symbol lock unwrap. Next up, we are gonna build. So here I can do symbol evaluated, and then I can do symbol value get type. Which this can actually take a borrowed type, a reference of type. Oh, and when I'm taking evaluated, maybe I should borrow this. And this won't be into them, then it would be S. But do I really want that? I mean, fine, I guess. I mean, it is just flawed already. Literally. Because technically we need to add symbols once and then just reference them instead of searching. It's not replace S. Okay, so here I can do a borrow. Consider borrowing as ref. Okay. Project compile. Expected function found result. To file. What? Wait, it shouldn't be a result. This is not result. Oh wait, it is just function, a function. So here instead, I'm gonna just do that. And here I will just if matches symbol value get type Type is not imported. Quick actions qualify. Oh wait, import. Quick actions. Where is qualify? Huh? Excuse me, what? This is totally Emacs fault. This is not Rust C. Rust C does show qualify. There is always qualify option. Type function pointer. Oh wow, what a message. You're working on a language where the use of a library has to deal. Oh wait, user of a library has to deal with some syntax so simple it looks like a config file rather than a programming language. Yeah, you've mentioned this somewhere. The library you are prioritizing as an audio manipulation library to make sample-based music. Something you have always wanted to make, and you will only work on the user-defined stuff. So it can even become an actual language. In the background, after the interpreter solely for the library is complete. Oh, you can turn this into an actual language after the interpreter for this library is complete. After that's done, you can implement the library in the language itself. Such a backstory. I guess this is kind of close to what Nix did. But Nix doesn't feel the config. But Nix kinda is what you described. Wait. Project compile. Warnings. Compiling. Okay, thread main panicked. Ooh. Okay, so we have some warnings. Call operator. Oh, and also call. Okay, then compiling module symbol X. Not yet implemented. Yay. I wish I could. Is this? Oh wait, is this an error? Now it sees an error here, right? Or wrong? Okay, IR expression mode rs. I mean, I wish I could just control click on it as I do normally. So I highlighted it. How can I open it? Like, I want to take this path and just open it. Go to a file. And I wish it also took me to the line and code, which is 88 if I remember correctly. Yeah, function to do get type. Function. Wait, didn't I implement it? Function. Signature type. And I mean, this isn't really right because I'm not it's this type will be a pointer, but it is not actually a function pointer. It is a function, which by a function I mean a struct called function, which is not yet because the language is not yet self-hosted. We can't get this this function. But yeah. Also, I wish it could. I wish it could scroll automatically. So as we can see, compilation exited abnormally with code 42. Yay. We've got symbols. I mean, We've got clarified constants. That's what I should say. Compile time constants. 69. Okay, let's do 69 next time. Let's do. If I go to project simple Oracle. Now let's do something else. Let's do 23 times 3 here, which is, this is like, I don't yet have this implemented, but this is gonna be a compile time thing, and then I can just do x. So if we go into completion exited abnormally. So frustrating to have so much buffers. Can I just kill them all? Server exited. Oh, Rust-C exited. I've accidentally killed Rust-C. This is like the part that I don't like about Emacs. It's unusable navigation between files and buffers. If it was easier, then it would be nice. Then it would be awesome. And there's probably a way to make it easier. So yeah. How do I? Where am I? Why did I open this? Interpreter module. Yeah, right now it's pretty simple, it just returns constants. But if we add binary expressions, it will be I mean, I can write as a whole interpreter in one file, but do I want it? Probably no. So I am adding operators, self-evaluate binary, it's gonna be exper see exper okay, let me do public mode operator expressions. Fortunately, we'll have to do all manual, all types, I mean. Create operator.rs, this is good enough. Use super asterisk impl interpreter public function evaluate binary, which takes self, mutable self probably, and expression binary expression. Make it a little bigger for you. Also, why didn't it reorder? Oh, okay, fine. Evaluate binary. Expression. OP. Match operator. Binary operator add, subtract, multiply, and add more not covered. Yeah, I guess I'll need some macros here. I will need a lot of macros here. Let's start off with creating macro. Actually, before creating macro, I tend to write one line myself. Binary OP. Add is gonna be here. I'll do match exper type, get type, whatever. Yeah, match get type int size. If size get if size get is 1, then we're gonna return, I mean not return, but do oh, first of all we need to evaluate left and right hand sides. Let LHS equals expression left hand side evaluated, self-evaluate expression left hand side, same for right hand side. And I should probably do .sref here. Then we have expression. Here a left hand side is gonna be, so this is a value. I'm gonna into i8 plus right hand side into i8, and this is gonna be hard coded for all cases. This for declared type. Oh, also I need to deref both of them. And what it's gonna return is a value. Fortunately, I don't have to specify a type here. Okay, so mismatch types. What's wrong? Something's wrong. Failed to resolve use from declared type. Oh, I should also import the type. And I can. Do I import it here? No, I think I can import it here. Use IR type, because it's just so important. Anyway, so this is just one step of a macro. I'm gonna cut this out, and let's do macro rules binary. Something. Okay, so we're gonna do. I should probably move this here and do something like binary. Let's imagine the syntax. Expression get type int. I mean, this is gonna be just a match of all of them. This is gonna be int of int 1. I mean, yeah, I guess like that. This is gonna be, I mean, oh wait, okay, not like that. I'm gonna do add i8, i16, i32, i64, i128, u8, u16, u32, u64, u128. Like that probably. So this is gonna be a match of types. So start off with this, I think, which will start off with. Don't even know how to do it the right way. I mean, I can just literally take this and put it here, but this is too big. So I'm gonna do. This is probably gonna do. Probably gonna be. So this is gonna be either. Oh, I don't know. So, hmm. Okay, so type ident, then there's gonna be this, which is optional, in parentheses, size literal. Then there's gonna be an arrow. Do I need an arrow? I don't need an arrow. OP, and then there are gonna be multiple types. Should probably do this. Types ty, or just type ty. No. Wait. Oh wait. Hold on. I'm dumb. So not like that. It's gonna be. Okay, so changing. I'm changing my mind. This is gonna be different. So we want the whole expression to be macro. Macro. And I'm gonna do binary. So we'll want int of binary op add. Also, I should probably put this here. So they're gonna be add plus and then types. And then I don't know. Like I need to specify all integers here. So something like i8, 1 i8, or int 1 i8, int 2 i16, and this is just gonna be so long. But I guess that's the only way. Int 3, wait, 34 i32, int 8 i64, int 16 i128, I unsigned. Oh, wow, this is too long. Can I just, I wish I could just put numeric here. I mean, I can do numeric something like this if I do a specific like extra macro rules. Rules numeric or just types numeric types numeric oops unsigned one. Can I just copy those ink paste? Replace this by unsigned, and then oh no, don't. What happened? Come back. Yes, I want to restart it. I said yes. Come back. Yes. It just breaks, it just dies. It's for 2. It was 16. Why is this happening? GZA. This should be you. Okay. Oh, and since I'm writing this separately, I can probably just put lines like that. So I can insert type colon all of this, then multiple cursors. Yeah, multiple cursors in Emacs. In Doom Emacs there is a plugin for this. Which I am totally using wrong. In rectangular selection mode it can just kill the whole thing. As I just did a few times. And I regret it. Okay, now it's gonna load and it's gonna break. Come on. Why does it take so long? I mean, I know what's gonna happen. I can see my cursor going left to right. See, this scary thing, which sometimes I can't even undo it properly. Yeah, it's just deadly to undo. Easier is to, well, yeah. So yeah, like the proper way to do this is to select like that. I guess, yeah. If size is equal to single keys. Oh, I can do viw cut and oops. viw not substitute size. This is a Doom feature. Yeah, this is awesome. Oh, don't forget to remove cursors. So I can show it actually. In init el, there are cursors, multiple cursors. This plugin. In editor, there's multiple cursors. Synth sorting do something. Oh wait, sorting actually uses Emacs. That's interesting. Yeah. So here it is. Doom Emacs, a module called multiple cursors. But this is not the best module. I mean, can't sorting just install a plugin for this? And does sorting actually use evil mode, or does he use vanilla Emacs keybinds? And so we'll have type. No, he is crazy. He uses CNCP moved his caps lock to control. What? How? Oh, he can press once to enable control mode. Like, is that what you mean? This is like this is like, yeah. I mean, Emacs was invented by some people for some people. I guess expect. No, his hand caps lock was a useless key. Oh, I mean it is useless. But I mean, why is there no keyboards without caps lock? Good question. I mean, some people actually do use them. Some people don't use shift. I didn't say. They press caps lock, capital A, caps lock, B, C, D. Two type of words starting with a capital letter. Just, yeah. So, oh, actually, I mean, I don't think I have ever used caps lock like actually. I've started with shift, and by this day I still hold shift for long sequences of capital letters. Expr or OP actually. Dollar $OP, which is path actually. Path. Dollar $OP. So this is gonna be OP name, I guess. OP name. Um, the OP itself, and then how is this thing called? You can close that. How are we doing? I'm gonna visit this page like every few minutes, few hours. Actually, this might update at about 10 p.m. because I think like I was watching Freedom Forge and the overview updated. This updates about 24 hours later. Yeah. Not affiliate anymore. Yeah, because today is 0.9 hours viewers. Oh, okay. What was I going to check? Oh, Rust macro rules. Match arm. Can I do this? Macro for match arms. Yeah. Variant ident. Same arms. I need macro rule for match arm, including like guard and stuff. TT. No. Docs, I guess. I guess I have to visit docs. Am I still live, by the way? And probably to quiet. Probably. Um, domain specific language. Variadics syntax. Patterns and designators. Here's some available designators. For complete list, okay, complete list. Is there a pattern? Um, pat param. Wow. Frag. Expression and statement. Pat param. Okay. What is pat param? I wanna know. A pattern. Oh, here. Meta variables. Item, an item, block, statement, path param. What this is, I don't know. Pattern no top alt pattern. I guess path param is what I need, or just path. multiple of type, which is pattern and arrow. Here is type, which is ident or ty, and this is not a type. This is gonna be type match. So I'm gonna wrap this in plus dollar type match arrow value type type, and this is gonna be an operator. Dollar $op. Is this gonna work? Okay, now. Oh, did I delete this bracket? Okay, we have a lot of errors. Let's just do ident. Don't care. Oh. Operator. Was there? There should be an operator, right? An expression, a type, identifier, pass, token tree. Do I put a TT here? I guess token tree. Name path followed by TT, which is not allowed for path thing. Okay, ident TT. Pattern type. Well, matching for here. Oh, like it's. Okay, so this doesn't work. I guess I have to do pattern and then optional if expert guard. Let me literally copy paste this. Okay, now it should be fine, right? Right? What's wrong? Okay, so if I expand this, can I? Expand snippet needs to properly set up. What? Yes, minor mode. Okay. CA. What? It's not it. This is just not it. What's wrong here? Cannot find binary expression. Oh, here was qualify. What? Here it says unused import. Hey, binary operator is used here. But I mean, it doesn't know about it. Types, what's wrong? If expert arrow type ty. It's gonna repeat multiple times. Type match pattern. Huh. I just don't understand. I don't understand. I mean, if only I could like inline code action. Code actions don't work. Inline macro is a code action. You're not using the right Rust LSP. Or you're using a buggy one, I don't know. It's just wrong. Rust won't ever give me such experience. Local ambiguity when called macro binary multiple passing options built in T. What? I mean, type is just an identifier. No crazy complex types here. Either type much or ident. Oh, I mean, I can do. Is it the same here? Or does it get a macro actually? I wonder which macro gets expanded first. Maybe a wrong macro. Huh. How do I get the right macro expanded first? Rust macro input. Rust macro in macro. I need like macro. Yeah, I need something like that. I mean, I can do commas here, which then I'll make it expect a comma here. This probably still will be an ambiguity. I'll add a semicolon then. Okay, let me undo stuff. Add a semicolon to the end of this thing. No rules expecting says token semicolon. So this macro doesn't get aligned. What if I change the bracket to parentheses? Is it gonna change anything? No. Why? Why doesn't inline? I mean, if I just copy paste this literally, it's gonna work probably. Look at the it doesn't, but macro names aren't followed by a bang. What? Oh, variable OP name is still repeating at this depth. What? Oh, this is just a dumb mistake. Sorry about that. And then this. Okay, so let's try to manually inline it again. Paste it here. Okay. Mismatch types. Consider calling non-zero U 16U unwrap. What? If says oh. I mean, yeah, I know that I need to do gets here. This is just an easy fix. Still wrong though. I don't understand what it's saying about bang. Oh wait, they shouldn't be followed by the bang. Oh. Macro rules bang. This is it. Okay. I'm just dumb. Okay. Now add gets here. Let's try again. Numeric. Still a semicolon issue. Macro rules binary. When calling this macro, no rules expecting token. Okay, then remove it. Expected end of macro invocation. What's here? When calling this macro, where? Okay, if I inline it again, which I hate doing already. Yeah, I don't have a colon, so it's alright. Oh, my charm and 11 more not covered. But I mean, now it works. Kinda. Oh, the semicolon, I guess. Underscore is gonna be like panic. Can't do binary operation with binary operation this with operands of type this. Operation. Oh, I'll need concat here. Can just do concat. So here I'm gonna do stringify $OP, and here, hey, Olivianella 246. How am I? Good question. I'm trying to use Emacs, day 2, technically. But day 1 was compiling Emacs from source 3 times and using pre-built version at the end. Stringify. What do I put here with operands of type? Yeah, no, what? Still repeating at this depth. Oh, no, not type. I need with operands of type expression get type, or so that's invalid. Invalid. Should probably break it out. Break it up. Mission. Yeah, okay, I'm switching from concat to panic formatting because this is just gonna be easier. Helix. Yeah, Helix is awesome, but it misses a plugin system. It just misses a plugin system, and it doesn't have core functionality like file manager and toggle term. Toggle term was like the fatal for me. With operands of type. Which I don't stringify here. I just paste. Helix use plugins as WASM. I mean, maybe they are planning to do so, but right now they don't have plugins at all. With operands of type, invalid. Who needs them anyway? I need a file manager and a toggle term. I need a terminal inside Helix, some form of an integrated terminal. Olivia Nellis, thank you for the follow. Olivia Lena, sorry. I'm terrible at pronouncing names always, as always. And yeah, my notifications don't work for like what, a month. I mean, that's just stream elements. Literally doesn't catch follow notifications. Everything else rates get cached, but follows just don't for some reason. Um, yeah, it is working. Expected one argument found 3. This is so hard debugging macros. And yeah, binary expression, I don't need it. I mean, I can do IR expression binary OP here and literally automatic no LSP. I mean, I want to run my programs somehow and test them, not only check errors. And yeah, I want to check errors because I don't trust LSPs for some reason. I mean, I do here, for example, but not as much. No variant or associated item name type found for enum binary operator. What? Pname. Oh wait. Add plus. Here. Missing match arms. And mismatch types. Consider using a semicolon. How are those types mismatched? Oh, and the colon, yeah. This is just a value, and this returns a value, and oh, here I would do paste. I'm gonna do to do this time. To do binary operator invalid. Can do this. Oops. I mean, I can probably just binary invalid. Catch all. Okay, so can I now use types here? That's a big question. Types, numeric. I mean, I should be able to. Oh, mismatch types. What's up? Oh wait, this should just return a value. That's why it was saying mismatch types. Value. Okay, now this should work. Semicolon. No rules expecting semicolon. Why? I literally hate it. Does it expand? I mean, it should expand. Like this, it doesn't say anything about the semicolon, but with this, it does. An expected end of macro invocation. Like, why? Why I can't just use a macro here? I mean, I can try to literally repeat it like that. Binary, and it's gonna be like what? So I'm just gonna repeat this, and Type miss. Wait, type match. If card. If you don't understand anything that's happening on screen, I don't either. See, instead of like this thing, I will do like parent types ident. Ink. And here I like wait, it will change literally. Types paying this. I mean, that's actually maybe that's because of this. Okay, so if I just put types here, oops, is it gonna work? No, it's not. Why? Space CA. Inline macro. What? Why? Okay, if I just take types separately, inline macro, it inlines. Problem is that it doesn't want to work inside of other macro. Why? Oh, Rust macro, in macro. Yeah, like that. Can invoke another macro, but one cannot take the result of other. Why? Legal code. Just to be completely down, dumb down. I mean, I can't. Like, I can't here. I don't want to list all the types. I mean, I can't theoretically. Can I? No. Okay, let me try to do it again, but differently this time. Ink. Paste. Ink. Paste. Oops. Paste here. So it's gonna be numeric semicolon. And I'll probably right now I'll probably just do a hack, a crazy hack. Operator, and then what I'm gonna do is question mark numeric semicolon just tt. I'm gonna do binary, which will take this operator name, operator, and then here it's gonna take if it is numeric, let's call it ns. Then I'm gonna this is just a crazy hack, but it should work. I'm gonna do ink, put all those types here. I mean, I'd want to use them not only in the thing. I mean, I mean, I can actually. I don't want to repeat it. Yeah, numeric, sub-numeric. This is a crazy mess of macros. Let's look at. It's huge. It is huge. I don't like this. And I think it's subtract. Key space, project compile. Let's see. Expecting this token in macro call. What's wrong? No rules expected this token in macro call. Expecting token opening parenthesis. Where? Line 29. Here. Wait, do I put a colon? Well, I mean a comma? How do I... Oops, how do I do multiple, like, executions? Multiple ways. Expected tokens is... Hold on, how do I do multiple versions? Yeah, bye Nigel. I'm gonna probably also end soon because it's almost 10 p.m. And I don't want to stay here for up to 3 hours. Up to 3 a.m. Yeah, bye Nigel. Also, quick check. Maybe I'll stay for the raid. Didn't. I don't like this macro mess anyway, so I'll probably think of a better solution. Yeah, it's just right now. Rating with 1 viewer. Analytics for today were terrible. What? I mean, 83 viewers, too much. But does it match? Unsupported argument IRM with 7 AFP SIMD. A movie. How was the movie? Do we rate T2? I mean, I guess worth a shot. If he is not ending yet.
Generic syscall, future-proof, ABS with but simple claim or less complexity as a result of questions.
Very creepy.
Again, I don't target, like, of course, like, if we implement stuff with 10% of the code,
wow, your count jumps up when
we will usually not reach the same level of performance, but
I feel like he's ending.
For
what, 2 hours?
Unless smaller code has higher performance or better algorithms.
I mean, he
like
can stream for 2 hours about so.
But I would be happy, like, with usually less than 10% of the code, like 90% of the features and performance. I think this would be much, much, much preferable IT infrastructure things. It's probably I should kind of sort of try to work on next. Also,
I feel like he's ending.
Side compares it to GCC 3.2? Do you mean LVM Clang or what? If you talk about TCC.
Yeah, I think he's ending. Read unit of time. Actually, a good would be great to search for a tag. But yeah, this is still the same. So I guess. Yeah, I guess fine. Who's this? Unit of time equals delta time. 25 years, still quite a bit, but I mean fine. What is this?
I guess that's okay.
Emacs
then, right?
at
Yeah,
Arch.
item is probably what I want.
That's fancy. Yeah.
I
2
might
years.
have to
Yes. I guess you're
change this a
going
little bit.
to a
But
game
basically we
development
have
stream.
our
Goodbye, everyone.
slot that we are.
Bye. Yeah, I saw that. Goodbye, YouTube.